The ability to easily create layered calendars is one of Shoperation's most exciting features. Layered calendars help showcase activity across multiple teams at the same time. In the Calendars page header, click the Filter button to reveal the drop-down menu. Select the relevant teams from the Retailers drop-down. These views are useful, for instance, when your sales team is getting ready to meet with their retail customers' category buyers. Showing your brand's national consumer promotions calendar for a particular brand layered on top of customer-specific activities is a powerful way to communicate your brand's overall support. Check out how to change calendar period labels to reflect retailers' fiscal years, as well as how to export calendars to share with your teams or customers.